DCL strictly controls the supplier quality and finished product quality. We have an experienced quality control team to ensure the qualified product rate. In our quality inspection lab, you can see high-precision pneumatic measuring instrument, gear run-out detector, digital hardness tester, gear double-sided meshing detector, two-dimensional image tester, and pressure testing platform, etc. DCL has established a mature quality control system which has been audited by third-party certification authorities such as SGS and CSA.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.